If you look at the world that we live in today, the productivity that we've achieved, the lifestyles that we lead, it's all due to technology. If you're going to win in the world of technology, you have to move very quickly. You have to adapt to change. But it's not just the knowledge that everything's going to change. You have to become a change agent and move very quickly. The bigger challenge today is that technology, invented by, different companies over different periods of the time, doesn't talk to each other. Businesses must adapt. But what we know is you can't do that with people alone. You've got to have scalable systems and processes. The types of things that GPTs and this AI is capable of today, it's bewildering. We've given software the ability to reason. That's incredibly powerful. It's going to change everything. The world is a better place when it's connected. People are better, countries are better, problems are solved. That's what we do at my company, at Boomi. And in our job, our goal is help organizations figure out, how do all these systems talk to each other? If you're an organization, which I think every company is, that depends on connected systems, there's nobody better at it than what Boomi does, is what we call an integration and automation platform. And that's what we give our 20,000 plus customers.
So way back in the early 2000s, Boomi was founded as a company that was focused on integrating applications and businesses from all over the world, focusing a lot on supply chain. What we were seeing was the rise of these SaaS applications and these cloud-based apps that were presenting problems in the market between integrating these cloud applications and on-premises applications that were becoming legacy very quickly. We decided at Boomi to take on a new challenge and invent a new way of integrating these SaaS and cloud-based applications with on-premises applications, and we embarked upon a journey to become the world's first iPaaS. So since we've invented the world's first iPaaS, we decided to follow what our customers needed from us in the market. And over the years, we've evolved our basic integration and iPaaS platform into Boomi's enterprise platform. And based on the needs of our customers in our market, we moved beyond just integrating applications and data sources and started focusing, in addition to that, API management, where we can help our customers with managing APIs and access to data, which then led us to on a data management strategy, where we do also help our customers managing these data sources, data quality, so on and so forth.
At Nature Fresh Farms, one of the biggest objectives we have is to grow strawberries, tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. What the problem is things get delivered to different locations, and we didn't know what was coming in, what wasn't coming in, when it arrived, where it arrived, and there was no streamlined method to understand that. So what we were looking with is not just a platform to be a part of what we wanted to do. We wanted to have a partner that was willing to build a platform with us and continue to expand with us as we grew and as we changed what we were doing. And Boomi checked all those boxes for us. Boomi allows us to interpret the data from all the vendors. It allows us to take the data, move it into one data hub to organize it, and allows us to make usable data. And through that, we can have an AI algorithm that helps us make a system that we can be reactive to the weather, be reactive to the elements, and be reactive to what the plants want to do. We're able to actually create real-time analytics to see at the moment how are we doing instead of a past report, allowing more objective decisions on what's happening right now.
Customers choose Boomi because we are the largest and best agnostic provider of integration and automation. We don't care what software you run. We don't care what applications you're trying to connect. We simply want to make that connection and that automation possible for you. I get to benefit firsthand from the connections that Boomi makes that allows for me to gain quick insights into how the business is doing, my team to make quick adjustments to help things operate better or more smoothly, us to be able to share information with the market, with the media, with analysts, etc. And so On the one hand, I can look at our customer success and say, geez, I'm watching these companies do these amazing things with Boomi. But on the other hand, I'm also one of those customers. And so every day we get to see the power of what integrating the systems with Boomi and supercharging them with AI is doing for our business.
The real fuel for AI is not electricity, it's data. Boomi is the spigot for data. We are the fuel line. So where Boomi's leaning in is we're building these what we call AI agents. And these agents will look at a business process, and rather than the human making a decision, it's making the decision. Using Boomi to integrate your business, to inform and give context to AI so it can make better recommendations that germane to your business, that's exactly what we do. I think AI is underhyped, not overhyped, because when you have software programs or applications that can reason, the need for human oversight is radically reduced. That doesn't mean there's no human in the loop. You should always have a human in the loop, but the amount of productivity that this will unleash, we will need to redefine the work week. We will need to answer, okay, well, if AI can do this for me, what do I do with my time? We are at the beginning of what I believe to be the most productive era in human history. At some point, we reach a place where these systems give us a power that we've never seen before. Now we need to focus that for good.
So the fact that our employees are so passionate and engaged and energized, I think inevitably rubs off on our customers and makes them want to be part of the Boomi community, part of the Boomi family. And I can't imagine a scenario where if we didn't have that level of employee energy and passion, that our customers would feel the way they do about us.
We have some of the most brilliant people in this industry. They are passionate about making connections. That's why they come here. They want to help people, companies, countries connect. That's what we do, and we do it better than anyone in the world.